In this video, I'll guide you through how to report a bug in Claude AI so your feedback actually helps improve future responses. Whether you've run into a technical glitch or spotted a wrong answer, reporting it directly inside the interface is quick and makes a real difference. Let's start from the moment you notice something is wrong. Maybe Claude has given you an answer that doesn't make sense, contains an obvious mistake, or something seems off technically, like a formatting problem or a broken response. When that happens, don't just move on. Instead, go to the specific message from Claude that has the issue, move your mouse over that response and hover on it for a moment. As you do, you'll see a small set of icons appear near the message. One of these is a thumbs down icon. This is your direct feedback tool. Click on the thumbs down icon to begin reporting the bug. As soon as you click thumbs down, a text box will appear on your screen. This is where you'll describe what went wrong, and it's also where you categorize the type of problem. You'll see options like technical error or incorrect fact. Choosing the right category helps the team quickly understand what kind of issue they're dealing with. If the problem is about how the system responded technically, such as the message cutting off unexpectedly, the formatting being broken, or Claude not behaving the way you'd expect from a system perspective, choose technical error. This tells the team that the issue is more about how the tool is functioning rather than the content itself. On the other hand, if the response contains information that is wrong, misleading, outdated, or doesn't match reliable sources, choose incorrect fact. This covers situations where the answer sounds confident but is actually inaccurate, or when key details are missing or presented incorrectly. After you've picked the most appropriate category, take a moment to write a brief description of the issue in the text box. You don't need to write an essay, but try to be specific. Instead of just saying, "This is wrong," you might say something like, "The population number for this city is incorrect compared to the latest official statistics," or "The formula given here doesn't match the standard equation used in physics." Including what you expected to see or what you know to be correct makes the report much more useful. If it's a technical error, describe what you experienced. For example, mention if the response stopped mid-sentence, if parts of the answer didn't render properly, or if the behavior changed after you did something specific, like editing your prompt. Details like "this happened after I asked a follow-up question," or "this only occurs in longer responses" can be very helpful. Once you've selected the category and written your short description, go ahead and submit the feedback. That's all there is to it. By taking a few seconds to hover over the problematic response, click the thumbs down icon and clearly explain what went wrong, you're directly contributing to making Claude AI more accurate and reliable for everyone.